Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am cooking shami kabab, authentic way, which that's my mom's way. She's from Lucknow, so I'm gonna try her way. Okay, we need some meat, beef. Like I chopped it like this. This is around approximately, I think, not a kilo, but about a kilo. And this is chana dal, which is around 1 cup. And you need some clove of garlic, ginger, onion, chili, dry chili. You can use more chili if you want, according to your taste. This is some cinnamon stick, then coriander, some mace, which is what do you call it? Jawatri, and jaffle, nutmeg, and some elaichi, cardamom, big one, and some of clove, some black pepper, and salt to taste. And these I'm gonna, when I grind these two when I boil it and then grind it. So I'm gonna put this coriander, and then I'm gonna chop some chilies and then onion, and I'll mix it, and then I'll show you what I do here. This is the pan, so I put meat in here. So around the meat, and so this is it, meat, and I put some, I'm just gonna drain this. This is already, the chana gram is already washed. This is how it looks. So I'm gonna put this in here, all of it, and then all of the spices are gonna go in here, and I'll put some salt in here with some spoon in here. So this is 1 teaspoon. I'm just gonna put 1 teaspoon for now. I can taste it when I boil it. So this is it, and I'm going to put some water in it, approximately 2 cups, because the meat has to be soft. It will take about half an hour to 40 minutes to boil it. Just gonna do on the stove here. And turn it on just a little bit lower than a high, and then you can keep checking to put the lid on it. So just leave it for half an hour to 40 minutes, and you can keep checking in between so it won't stick on the bottom. This is a non-stick pan. This is a copper coating. Just got it yesterday. So I'm gonna try this pan, turn the heat on, and then put this lid on, and I'll see you when it's the boiling is done. So see you in a minute.